If you're missing a tooth anywhere in your mouth, it's a great single tooth replacement. It is a great anchorage device for a loose denture. If you're an individual who has unfortunately discovered the hard way that you have a gag reflex that is not surmountable through continued and consistent application of an appliance, we're able to give you your teeth back, but not have you feeling nauseous all day long, and allow you to feel like yourself with your smile in place and not having to tolerate the misery of it gagging you all the time. If there are multiple teeth missing in the same arch, but we don't want to have to do a partial denture, it's able to span a gap for multiple teeth. And I actually can show that right here. With this model here, we can show the single tooth replacement. Personally, if I was putting a tooth on that implant there, I would do one of the, not custom abutments, but added abutments in order to give it a little bit more height, just due to the forces involved in a tooth that long. But this would be how we would replace multiple teeth in one arch that we don't want to do a partial for, and we don't want to do a long span bridge and undermine the long-term health of these teeth. So we have one big tooth, two small teeth, 4 implants all together, and that's how that would go there. The beauty of the mini implant is the versatility that allows me as a practitioner to meet your needs as the patient.